Where did you go last weekend? Where did you go last weekend? I went to the shopping centre. I went to the shopping centre. What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now? Having a coffee with my friend. Having a coffee with my friend. Have you ever visited Spain? Have you ever visited Spain? I've been to Spain twice. I have been to Spain twice. What did you have for lunch? What did you have for lunch? I had a sandwich and some fruit. I had a sandwich and some fruit. Do you usually get up early? Do you usually get up early? Yes, I usually get up at 6. Yes, I usually get up at 6. Did you talk to your friend yesterday? Did you talk to your friend yesterday? We spoke for a while in the evening. We spoke for a while in the evening. Have you seen the new movie? Have you seen the new movie? No, I haven't seen it yet. Is it good? No, I haven't seen it yet. Is it good? What time do you start work? What time do you start work? I start work at 9 most days. I start work at 9 most days. Were you tired this morning? Were you tired this morning? I was really tired when I woke up. I was really tired when I woke up. How long have you lived here? How long have you lived here? I have lived here for 5 years. I have lived here for 5 years. What colour is the sky on a clear day? What colour is the sky on a clear day? It's blue. It's blue. How many legs does a spider have? How many legs does a spider have? 8. 8. What is 2 plus 2? What is 2 plus 2? The answer is 4. 4. What do bees make? What do bees make? Honey. Honey. What planet do we live on? What planet do we live on? Earth. We live on planet Earth. How many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? 7. 7. What do you use to write? What do you use to write? A pen or a pencil? A pen or a pencil? What is the name of the red fruit often used in ketchup? What is the name of the red fruit often used in ketchup? Tomato. Tomato. What animal barks? What animal barks? A dog. A dog barks. A dog. What is the opposite of hot? What is the opposite of hot? Cold. Cold is the opposite of hot. How many months are there in a year? How many months are there in a year? 12. There are 12 months in 1 year. 12. What do cows drink? What do cows drink? Water. Cows drink water. What shape is a basketball? What shape is a basketball? Round. A basketball is round. What time of the day does the sun rise? What time of the day does the sun rise? Morning. The sun rises in the morning. What color are bananas when they are ripe? What color are bananas when they are ripe? Yellow. Bananas when they're ripe are yellow. What do you call a baby cat? What do you call a baby cat? Kitten. Call a baby cat a kitten. What sound does a cow make? What sound does a cow make? Moo. The cow makes a moo sound. Moo. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. आपने वीडियो पसंद किया तो ज़रूर शेयर, लाइक, सब्सक्राइब. जज़ाकल्लाह.